Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. Today we are going to learn about the array type. We are going to learn in this video about the array types in the TypeScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here I want the array of a number. So what I will do, I will just add defining the variable and the type number with array, right? So basically the declaration of that one, the variable name and the type with the braces array. Okay, so whether it's to be a string, whether it's to be a number. Okay, so let's see. If I add over here, you can see that I have defined the array of the string. That means array of string. You can also define like this way, right? And you can also define like this. Okay, so here if I put here, like suppose if I put here one, right, what happened? Type number is not assignable to the type string. We have already defined that the array consists of the string, not a number. So that means it is showing you the array. Okay, so that is happening when you defining the types string over here, right? Next, if you want to define this is number that we have defined. Okay, so if I want to push any of the string to that number, what you can do, you can always do numbers dot push any number. If you want to push, like suppose first one is number, if I push this one, then what happened? Argument of the type string is not assignable to the parameter type number. Okay, so here I am pushing the number string in the number type string, right? So this is showing the error because the whole variable is in the number and I am pushing that the string, so it will give you the error. Okay, so when you are defining that the whole one is the array of number, that means you should only push the number, not the string, right? So if you want to push the mixed, whether you want to push the string, whether you want to push the number, there is a solution, right? Whether you can make the variable to be any, but any I will let you know in the next videos. Okay, so here there is one option that is called the string or the number, that should be array, right? If I go and just copy this one, right, and adding over here, okay, where I'm pushing this one, right? So here we have a number. If I do like this, okay, you can see the array gone, right? So you can push the string and the number same time on that variable numbers, right? So this is how the array type work. Okay, if you want to get the length of an array, what you have to do, numbers dot length. Okay, so it will return you the length of that one, right? It's currently 4. Okay, so if you want to push that one, so you can use the push. If you want to pop that one, you can use the pop method. That is the array basic methods, that push and pop and the length, right? So this is how we can declare or play with around the TypeScript array type, and this is how we are defining. Okay, so if you want to define where the number should be an array of which type, whether it's to be a string, whether it's to be a number, so you can use that type, right? Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Any feedback, you can also let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.